Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to enable restricted mode on YouTube. So this is the most up-to-date method as of filming in 2021. But if an updated method does become available and I do a video, what I'll do is pop a link to that at the top now. But if you do find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, what I'm going to do first is come to youtube.com. It's a fairly straightforward process. And what you want to do is make sure you're logged into your YouTube account first of all. So you do need a YouTube account, an actual account to set this up. It's fairly easy to do this. All you need to do is just click on your profile icon, which is up here in the top right hand corner. And you'll see right down at the bottom it says restricted mode off. So you just need to click this and it's going to come up with a little pop-up saying this helps hide potentially mature videos, no filters 100% accurate, and the setting only applies to this browser. So what that basically means is restricted mode is going to kind of filter out more mature adult content. And to turn it on, all you need to do is click this toggle button here. But just bear in mind, as it says in the confirmation, that would only apply to this browser. So if, for example, you use other browsers like Firefox or Microsoft Edge, you would have to do this separately on each browser. To turn it back off, it's the same process. You just click your profile icon, go to the bottom, give it a click, and then just click the toggle button to turn that off. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. And if you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.